So it is hot as Hades today, and a lot of us, if we don't have air conditioning, are trying to open windows. Now I'm here working in my garage, we're renovating it, and I'll show you more about that in videos to come, so make sure you subscribe. But what are you supposed to do if you have screens in your windows that are torn and ripped? Maybe you don't know how to rescreen, or your frames aren't very good and it's not worth it. What if you have no frame at all and you want to open the windows? Well, this is the kind of product that solves that. This is an adjustable window screen. I'm sure you have seen these and you might think this is a hokey gadget, but I'm telling you, it is a total lifesaver. If you have windows with no screens, maybe you are renting, maybe you are in a dorm, maybe you have a rental that you own and you want to make sure people can open windows. For about $7 or less, you can get a screen like this that simply adjusts to the width of your window frame. They come in various heights so that you can go up, probably 3/4 of the way up, or you can go just a little bit. They are so easy to use. You take it, you spread it to the width, you slide it into the groove, and slide the other end in, and that easily you can pull your window down, and it will seal out bugs, lets the air move. Maybe you have that cat that loves to sit in the windowsill and claws. Well, you could put this adjustable inexpensive screen in front of your real screens so that your pets can't do damage to your real window screens. But I'm telling you, these are so adaptable, easy to use. You could even put Velcro tabs like I have on this one. They fit snug. Put Velcro on the ends to keep them in the groove if they don't fit as well as they did here. You can also paint them. You see here I painted this side. This is the raw. This way they blend in and they're not real obvious. So these are made by Frost King. It's a reputable company. They've been around forever. You can look at home centers, you can look on Amazon, and you can order them, like I said, for the proper height, and the width is adjustable. You can also throw one of these on top of a reptile tank if you need to contain a critter. So very useful, very purposeful, and the ideal product for somebody who doesn't have a lot of money to invest in proper screens or even rescreening of their current frames. So make sure you subscribe. We have a summer's worth of projects ahead, including my garage renovation, and I'll be sharing tips on how we did that with everything from slat board to pegboard and how to get organized. So take care and keep cool.